Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see one of the best products which is used in almost all households, that too from ages. It's none other than parachute coconut hair oil. This oil is purely made from coconut and does not use any other chemicals. It makes the hair strong right from the roots and stimulate hair growth. If you are suffering from hair fall and if you don't want to do heavy hair oil massage, then go for this oil. Within a week, you will able to see the results. It is surely going to reduce your hair fall, and it's also going to make your hair soft, shiny and bouncy. You have to keep this hair oil basically overnight, and next day you have to wash your hair. The oil is thin, so it can easily reach the scalp and nourish the hair. The oil has antifungal and antibacterial properties. The oil has pure coconut fragrance. If I want to talk about packaging, then it comes in a blue plastic bottle without any extra covering, and it's available in different sizes. This bottle is 175 ml and it costed me Rs 62. Be able to purchase this bottle in any supermarket, even on medical stores. You can even use this oil as a moisturizer. If you have dry skin, basically after taking bath, you can take this oil and apply it on your body parts. So this parachute oil can be used for skincare as well as hair care. You can apply this oil at night on your skin, which act like a moisturizing lotion. So this oil has two benefits. So my suggestion is, if you have this oil at home, make use of it in skincare as well as hair care. If you want to get rid of acne, then use this oil as a night lotion. Now let's discuss about pros. Strengthen your hair. Makes your hair silky. Protect against ultraviolet rays. Reduces hair fall. Reduces split ends. Pure coconut smell. Stimulates hair growth. It can be used in skincare as well as hair care. Affordable and available in different sizes. You can even use for cooking. I would suggest you to give it a try, or maybe use this oil again in your life and make it a part of daily routine. And I am damn sure you will not even want to try another hair oil. That I am going to stay committed to parachute hair oil by keeping this oil at regular usage and to give more surprise by using this oil. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and stay happy and try to explore the things which we are ignoring in our busy world.